Have you ever heard about cryptocurrency and wondered what it really means? You may have come across names like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other digital coins in the news or on social media. Some people call it the future of money, while others see it as risky or confusing. In simple terms, cryptocurrency is a type of digital money that exists only online and uses special technology to keep it safe and secure. Unlike traditional money such as dollars, euros, or ringgit, cryptocurrency is not printed by governments or issued by banks. Instead, it is created and managed using a technology called blockchain. Blockchain is like a giant digital ledger or record book that is stored across thousands of computers. Every transaction made with cryptocurrency is written into this ledger. Once recorded, it cannot easily be changed, which makes it very secure and transparent. Everyone can see the records, but no one can secretly alter them. The first and most famous cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, launched in 2009. Since then, thousands of other cryptocurrencies have been created, each with its own features and uses. Some are designed to be used like money, others focus on faster payments, while some support digital contracts or online platforms. Even though they are different, they all share three key qualities. They are digital, decentralized, and protected by cryptography, which is a method of securing information using advanced codes. So how does cryptocurrency work in practice? People can use it to buy goods and services, although not every store accepts it yet. More commonly, people buy and hold cryptocurrency as an investment, hoping its value will rise. Transactions happen directly between two people without a middleman like a bank. If you send cryptocurrency, the blockchain network records it, and a group of computers known as miners or validators confirms it. Once confirmed, the transaction cannot be reversed. Cryptocurrency offers several benefits. It provides freedom because it is not controlled by any single government or bank. Anyone with an internet connection can use it, no matter where they live. It can also make international payments faster and sometimes cheaper compared to traditional money transfers. In countries where local currencies lose value quickly, cryptocurrency can act as another way to store wealth. But there are also risks. Prices of cryptocurrencies can rise and fall dramatically, sometimes within hours. This makes them a risky investment, where people can make profits but also lose money quickly. Security is another issue. While blockchain itself is difficult to hack, people can still lose their coins if they forget their passwords or fall victim to scams. On top of that, many governments are still deciding how to regulate cryptocurrency, which creates uncertainty. To sum it up, cryptocurrency is digital money powered by blockchain technology. It allows direct transactions, offers global access, and has big potential. But it also comes with volatility, risks, and challenges. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this explanation, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of big economic ideas.